Good day. If you skip this ad, you will deny yourself the opportunity to benefit from my 25 years of being in the online trenches. My name's Robert Farrell. So before you go, just indulge me for a second. I want to share with you one of my students, Becky. Becky's been with me for less than a month now. She's made close to $4,100, and I'm going to share with you exactly how she does it. If you click this banner ad right here, the blue button, and go to my website, I don't need your email address. I'm not going to put you into some wasted time webinar. I will share with you how to earn online the right way by working smart. In fact, I have a student of mine that next Thursday, today is the 16th of August, next Thursday, she will be 105 years old. I'm not joking. She's been with me since she was 99 years old. She makes $2,000 a month. Now, for most of you, that's not a lot of money, but she works 4 to 5 hours a week. She could not be happier. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. I want to make this short and simple and to the point. So again, if you click the banner ad, go to my website, you can watch a roadmap for making 6 figures over the next 12 to 15 months. Now, if you think I'm full of nonsense, then hey, skip the ad right now. So if you go back to Becky's website, she's curated up to 7 different websites she currently has. She started out with 1. Her first one she did was a recipe website. Then she built herself a home gardening website, a fitness website, a makeup website, and I want to share with you right now how Becky makes money working smart. Becky makes money because she doesn't sell. I teach my students not to sell. You want to offer value. You want to engage people. How do I do this? I teach them to ride the coattails of the 4 biggest online companies out there, which is the number 2 search engine, which is YouTube. Ride the coattails of YouTube. Work smart with social media and get traffic for free. I have a free video that will share with you how to do that. Don't post products on your social media. Post videos from YouTube. But don't post them from YouTube to social media. Post them on your WordPress website. So the 4 things that I'm going to focus on in my free training video is Amazon, Facebook, YouTube, and WordPress, along with my free training. So if you come back here for a second and look, again, this is Becky's hair and makeup website. Every video in here was curated from YouTube using my back-end WordPress software. She didn't have to reinvent the wheel. But let me share with you how Becky works smart and makes serious money online. Again, in less than a month, she's made a little over $4,100. Okay, so let's say that Becky wanted to engage people to buy an expensive treadmill. Well, the mistake most people would make is they put that treadmill, they put that product on their social media. A, that's not going to work. B, social media doesn't allow affiliate links. They want you to go to your website. So as an example, if Becky wanted to share this on her social media, she would click right here, and then what I would suggest you do is you have it not go to your Facebook profile page. So if you're going to have 5 separate niche sites, a health and beauty website, a fitness website, a recipe website, then I would have 5 separate social media accounts, 5 separate Facebook pages, 5 separate Instagram pages. And I would start out by saying, hey, have you tried these treadmills before? Do you have your own treadmill you could recommend? Hashtag treadmill matters, et cetera, et cetera. So what I want to share with you is if you look at her page for a second, and somebody goes here. So somebody goes from her social media to her WordPress website to watch this video. As they're watching the video or reading the information here, notice that I have hyperlinks. This is done automatically with my backend software. No experience or technology required. So if somebody clicks right here, it's going to take them to, in this particular case, Amazon. And it's going to basically pull up an Amazon opportunity to buy. So this is how you work smart. But enough of my talking. Simply click the banner ad, go to my website, watch the rest of my roadmap to earning over $100,000 in the next 12 to 15 months working smart and not selling with different niche sites. Again, Becky has a hair makeup site, she has a fitness website, she has a garden website, and she has a recipe website. So if you're tired of the snake oil and chasing shiny objects and the get-rich-quick nonsense, or the $997 45-minute webinar, hour-and-a-half webinar, you know how they're making their money? They're making money on teaching you stuff. They don't make any money on what they do. They make money on selling you their nonsense courses. So I'm Robert Farrell. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So click the banner ad, go to my website, and learn for free. And if you decide, I will help you to take the next step. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.